Model: 2014 Renault Master Lm35 Dci 125 body, white, panel van mileage, 182588 engine, 2298 ccm 90-125 E5i transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. MAF sensor needs replacing, doesn't affect the performance at all. Gearbox and clutch are all good and drives fine. Condition summary: bodywork is below average. Interior is quite rough. Rear load area is below average. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.